CIL Insurance, Australia's leading caravan and RV insurer, is delighted to reward all policyholders with the gift of a CIL Travel Saver Card. Here's a great way to plan your trip too. The CIL Trip Planner does it for you and lets you see where you could save along the way. Just go online. You'll find the CIL Trip Planner at cil.aussietravelsaver.com.au. Now check out the best deals along your actual journey. Simply map the route of your journey, say Newcastle to Hervey Bay, and the planner will do the rest. It'll highlight your specific route, then pin all the locations where you could receive discounts along the way. Easy! You'll know before you go what you can get and where, and that makes planning and saving a whole lot easier. And that's been a quick look at the benefits of using your CIL Travel Saver Card. There are thousands more offers. We're always updating and adding new ones, so keep an eye on the website. And remember to use your card when you're travelling throughout Australia and even between trips and staying at home. It's all part of being a valued CIL insurance policyholder.